I woke up this morning thinking, okay, is there a way for us to create a workflow in which we can capture a testimonial and display that testimonial on the front end of our website in just under 5 minutes? Let's not waste any more time and give it a shot. All right, I'm in the back end of my WordPress website, and step number 1 is going to be to install all of the required tools that are going to allow us to create this type of workflow. I've got some good news. We don't need to be cherry picking a bunch of different third-party plugins and trying to spend a whole lot of time figuring out if we're going to be able to capture a testimonial and then use the same tool to display that testimonial on the front end of our site. All you really need is Thrive Suite. We're going to be using actually 2 tools inside Thrive Suite. We're going to be using Thrive Architect to design the front end of our website, and then we will be using Thrive Ovation to both capture testimonials and create a workflow to display them on the front end of our Thrive Architect built pages. All right, so I've already installed Thrive Suite in the back end of my WordPress website. If you don't know how to do this, that means you're probably new here, which is perfectly fine. There you will find a link showing up here in the top left corner of the screen, top right corner of the screen for you. If you need help setting up Thrive Suite in your WordPress website, just click on that link and it's going to take you to a tutorial where we walk you through step by step on how to get this done. It's super easy. Don't be afraid. It's only going to take you a few minutes. And once you've done that, let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and create a new page. And in this case, we're going to call this testimonial capture page. Let's go ahead and publish the page. You can just save it as a draft as you're working on this. And we're going to fire up the page with Thrive Architect. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, we're simply going to create a pre-built landing page. So we're going to start working from a pre-built landing page. I just want to have some placeholder content that we can show on the front end of our site. And check this out. We actually just released a new travel theme inside Thrive Theme Builder. Why don't we actually start off working from one of these pre-built pages? How about the travel agency page? This is a nice one. Perfect. So this is what the page looks like. Your next destination awaits you. Check offers. We have different locations here. This is being powered by an image gallery. We have some tabs here showing off some of these travel packages that we have on sale right now. Last minute offers that people can quickly book. Some more best-selling offers here in the form of 2-column layouts. Where to next? These are categories. Pretty nice. Hey, not bad. So how about we create a new section here, and we actually have some testimonials here, but these are not being powered by Thrive Ovation. Let's actually do this. Let's get rid of this block, or at least let's get rid of. I actually kind of really like the decoration that our designers have done here. So instead of getting rid of the entire block, let's just get rid of these columns. And what we're first going to be doing is dragging and dropping a capture testimonial form. Okay, again, this is being powered by Thrive Ovation. So we're going to drag and drop a form, and we're going to ask people to fill out. Let's just go ahead with the simple one here. Here, as you can see, this is a section where we are let's drag and drop here a text element above the capture testimonial form. Rate your experience with Tony's travel agency. Okay, and we have the capture testimonial form. People can fill out their details with their name, the email, the role, the website. We can actually get rid of role probably. I probably don't need website URL for a testimonial, so let's get rid of that one. And here, let's just make sure that everything is being sent to Thrive Ovation in the right way. Let's add a new tag. We're going to add a new tag called travel testimonial form. Okay, and let's hit apply. Let's hit save, and let's see what that looks like. All right, so here's my page, and if I scroll down to the very bottom, I see the testimonial form. So let's go ahead and fill this out. Tony, let's do my email. Let's do Tony knows his places. Tony was able to recommend to us beautiful places in Spain. Would definitely book another trip with him. Let's hit submit, and boom, testimonial has been submitted. Now let's take a look at what this looks like in the back end of our website. So here in the left-hand toolbar, I'm going to navigate over to Thrive Dashboard and locate Thrive Ovation. And inside Thrive Ovation, I can see that there's been a new testimonial submission from Tony. The title is Tony Knows His Places. Tony was able to recommend to us beautiful places in Spain, so forth and so on. And there is the tag that we've inserted inside Thrive Architect has probably been submitted as well. And this testimonial is simply awaiting review, and we can just simply approve this. So this has been ready for display now. You know what? I did forget to use an image. So let's actually submit this again one more time using an image. I'm going to use our avatar image. Perfect. That's now using my image. Let me just fill this out really quick again. Tony knows Spain in and out. Submit testimonial. Perfect. Great. And now you can actually see the testimonial using my image. Awesome. Let's go ahead and approve this testimonial. And now what's really missing is just displaying the testimonials that are being submitted on the front end of my website. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so back on our page, I am going to leave the capture form. I mean, I probably wouldn't have a capture form on my sales page, right? So yeah, let's actually go ahead and get rid of it since we already have 2 testimonials captured. And what we can do is replace that with an actual Ovation display. So let's go ahead and drag and drop that widget on our page. And here we're going to be able to just start working from a few different templates that make use of images and that make use of, you know, the dynamic text from the testimonial that people have been submitting directly on our page, which is beautiful. Let's just go ahead and use this one. This one looks pretty cool. So we're going to be using a dynamic list of testimonials. This is going to allow us to automatically pull in approved testimonials that have been tagged in a specific way. We could just cherry pick which testimonials we want to use on our page. That would be fine too by just selecting this option of using specific testimonials. But in our case, we want to really just create a workflow where whereby every testimonial that gets approved in the backend of Thrive Ovation gets automatically pulled in on the front end of our page. So let's go ahead and use dynamic list. Here, as you can see, I only have one tag created in the backend of Thrive Ovation. So I'm just going to select that tag, and Thrive Ovation is detecting that 2 testimonials have been submitted. So I'm going to go ahead and hit apply, and boom, here they are. Here, I'm going to make sure that this is not set to display the website that a user has, but instead display the title of the testimonial. And you can see how that got updated to use the actual title of the testimonial. We have the profile picture that the user used during the testimonial submission. One of them did have a picture, one of them didn't. Let's go ahead and get rid of the white background here. I don't think I need this. And voila, here we have Tony is the best. Tony, oh, I misspelled the nose. But, you know, Tony knows Spain in and out. Tony knows his places. And, this is how easy it is to create such a workflow. I mean, how long did it take us? Not long. Look, the truth is that one of the main reasons why we're capable of creating these types of workflows in such a seamless manner is our tool's ability to really talk to each other in a seamless way, right? It's the fact that you can count on Thrive Ovation to really read the information that people are inputting on the front end of your site, on the page that you've built with Thrive Architect. You can count on that, on these types of things, on these types of tools to really talk to each other in a seamless manner, in a pain-free way. And this is something that we're going to continue to push here at Thrive Themes, ensuring that this is really, really, really simple and really, really easy for you guys, so that you can concentrate on building websites that really help you get conversions and really help you create workflows quickly and efficiently without having to worry about the tech limitations behind what powers everything. Anyways, if you have any questions about anything that you've seen today, please be sure to ask them down in the comment section below. And if you can think of any other workflows that you think you may want to see me build in action, let me know. All right, appreciate your time. Thanks again. Bye.